Yo, what is up? I'm gonna turn the music down because for me it's really loud. You know, it's supposed to be quiet. Yo, what's up? It's me. I make game. How you guys doing? I know no one's watching because I'm a little bitch and no one likes to watch my streams because I'm an incredibly boring person. But this is mostly for me to just look back at someday and be like, oh, the game used to look really shit. I'm hoping that it does look like. I hope it doesn't like come out really shit. So, what are we doing today? So, gun. We all know we like guns. Guns are cool. Guns work. So, what are we going to be doing with gun? We're going to be rigging it up. Pretty much, if you know me personally, you know I fucking hate Blender. I have a fucking dread to use Blender. I hate Blender. But we have to use Blender to rig up the gun so I can animate with the gun, because I have a rig for the main character. I don't know if you're on the Discord server. If you're not, you know, I don't think I put it in the description. I probably should do that. I'll do that later at some point. But if you're on the Discord, you'll know I have a FPS game where if you look down, you can see like your character model and that. And I animate that using a mix of Mixamo and animating in engine by me. So what I'm going to be doing today is gun, in which I add bones to this guy, I parent him all up, and we can animate him. I'm hoping by the end of the stream, praying that we can get an animation up using the animator, and we can make it look good. We can hopefully get a firing animation, and I'll probably do the reload and stuff off camera, because I need to figure that out. I need to do a bunch of research to figure that stuff out. But this stream, it should be rigging up the gun, getting it to work, and firing it, hopefully. Hopefully we get that done. What's going to happen next? I probably should start working on it now so then you guys aren't bored. What's going to happen next? Well, after I've done the gun, we're going to apply it to the player model, and we're going to be doing... So bad at streaming. We're going to be applying it to the player model, and we're going to be allowing the player to shoot, because currently all he can do is aim. So, we are going to parent this thing up, because currently all of the different things, they are... What the fuck's the keybinds? G to move? What the fuck? Okay, yeah, so G to move and stuff. All of this should be parented, and you need to parent all that. So, let's get parenting. So, the first thing I want to parent is, because this gun is a bit nerdy in the sense of it has a lot of attachments, and it's pretty much an entire gun just animated. I got it off Sketchfab. It's not mine. I'm having a fucking stroke. It's not mine. I got it off Sketchfab. So I'm going to do this myself, and it's going to be cool. Let us go to parenting. What should we start with? I think I'm going to start with the grip. The grip has a lot of things built that should be connected to it. So the grip. I think it's just called the body. Sight body. Is that it? No, that's the sight. Oh. Grip module. Then no, it's called that. So we need to, all of this stuff on the inside needs to be applied to the grip module, which is a lot, but it's not that bad. So yes, grip module. So we're gonna get that. Can I control? Like, what the fuck? Why did that click so many things? Okay, grip module. We're gonna apparent, and then can I do this? No, is it control? It is. Okay. So grip module, and we're gonna need the. Let's figure this out. So I'm gonna move the back grip module and find out what this shit's called. So this is the magazine catch stop. So I might just apply these guys together because parent this. Can I just parent these? I don't know. I think it's in parent modifier. Oh fuck! I'm so ass. is it here? I feel like it should be in here. Relations, parent. Here we go. So we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna call that. We're gonna get magazine catch. Bam. Here we go. So these should all be. Oh shit, that's moved. Why is that moved? That should not move. That's not good. Why is that? Why is that disappeared? Uh-oh. What's happening with this? Why is it not parenting properly? That's not a good thing. Oh, is it being scaled? It is. Is it being outscaled? It is. I think it is, you know? So if I just set to 1, set this to 1, and set this to 1, and then, the rotation's being reset. Minus 90? No, the rotation minus 90. Does like that. So, what is that? 180? There we go. And then we find this, and then we recorrect this. There we go. Oh my god, we've done it. We've done it, gamers. We've figured out how to Blender. This is going to be an amazing stream. And it's going to be amazing. I'm going to really quickly make sure the stream's working, so you won't be able to hear audio. 1 minute. Let me just real quick check if my stream is working. Stream is working. Sick. Alright, back to audio. Back to lo-fi beats, you know, because I'm fucking a lazy bitch. So, all of this stuff on the internals needs to be applied to the grip module and not the... So this is the this is the slide catch, I'm pretty sure. And we've got the hammer. The hammer looks very complicated, but I'm pretty sure I know how to gun, so it should be fine. So we've got the adjustable mount cover, not too important. Barrel stay should be applied to the case extractor. Ooh, okay, here we go. Oh, fucking hell, this is a lot of shit inside my gun. Frame. If I start binding everything to the frame, I think that'll be good. So if we get the barrel and apply that to the frame, maybe. So we go to here, we go to parent frame, and then 100, or just 1, sorry. 1, 1, and then 0. And then set to 0, 0, and then kind of line that back up in place because that's how gun work. Kind of like that. I think actually there shouldn't really be much of a gap here. There should be that. Is that good? I hope that's good. I think that's good. Is that good? Maybe. Okay, so I'm hoping that's based. Fuck, I've accidentally opened Minecraft. I look at Discord for 0.5 seconds. Holy shit. Fucking does not like me. Frame. Okay. There's a lot of gun stuff. I thought this was going to be much easier. This is what you get for deciding to... This is a good punishment for using things off of... This is God punishing me. Okay. Metal... What the fuck is metal plate? Rear sight. Recoil spring guide. What the fuck is that? I really wish you could just like click things and it just like, you know, choose it rather than not. Because I don't know. Oh shit. You can just do, what the fuck? Bruh. Okay. So you can do that. I'm just stupid. So we need to apply this to the frame. This is going to be so much easier. Apply to frame. 1, 1, and then it should be about 0 degrees, and then it needs to be put forward a bit, and then so about what, negative 10, and then 0 needs to be placed back in place about how it was, pretty much how it was, just like that. Yeah, so we need this as well. This is the takedown lever, which is pretty much something to do with guns. If you could not tell, my gun knowledge is atrocious. Because I'm a game dev, not a gun man. So we're just gonna have to deal with it. We're gonna apply it to frame, because that's pretty much applied to the frame. We're gonna increase the size of that again. Okay, okay, I must have quick drawn that something. And then we're gonna bring that forward about where it was, which was about a bit lower. We can remove shit and stuff, you know, it's not exactly like a be-all or end-all thing. I'm just going to assume that's about in place. Normally you need like a... This is the trigger. This is going to be separate. I feel like this should be separate. Metal plate. Just apply that to the frame. Really, I don't even know why that exists, but I guess it does. I think that's just where the... Yeah, just on the gun here, so... As long as that's applied to the frame, should be good. There you go, and then we move that back out. I think it was like here, and then was it like lower than that? Really do not know. Okay, we're just going to assume that's like in the right place. I can't be bothered. It's not actually that important. What else do we have? This thing, the slide catch lever. This needs to be applied to the frame. Oh, actually, because that needs to be moved down and shit. I don't know. I do not know. There's a lot of things where we need to apply. There's a lot of things that need to be applied to the grip module, like most of the frame. Except if I move the frame, we need to apply a bunch of shit to the frame. Just because, you know, it kind of do be like that. Do be like that in gun shit. Fucking ad, bro. This is why you not use fucking lo-fi beats to study, no copyright lo-fi music. The fuck. Okay, buddy, pal. You can tell I'm a shit streamer. So, I'm a game dev, not a streamer. Therefore, excuse. I've been allowed to live. If I'm, like I said, these aren't really supposed to be like streams. They're more like, well, they are streams, but like, in the sense of, there we go. In the sense of, mostly just, you know, like I said, things to look back on. You know, when my game gets really popular, it's really shit. When my game becomes, you know, slightly more well known, it's nice to look back and say, hey, this is what the game used to look like, and people can milk that for views. You know, that's what people do. We're going to want to move the trigger. I think the trigger actually does need to be applied to the frame, because it do be parent like that. So we're going to apply it to 0, we're going to apply 1. And then... 1 minute. There you go. And then, yeah. So we're going to set that here. About here. It should be applied like a bit. I think it was like that. Do not know. Okay, I'm just going to assume some of that. The magazine, it's going to be applied. So this needs to be applied to the frame as well. Because... and then we need to apply the frame to the grip module. Because I think the rest of it is to do with slide and... Oh, the lever catch needs to be applied to the frame. And a lot of the stuff inside here as well, actually. I've just seen this because this... Is this all slide? I think it is. Oh, that makes it a lot easier for me. Okay. The bullet is separate from the casing. So what we can do is we can just delete the bullet because it's not actually that important. Or actually, ooh, 1 minute. I'll do that in a minute. Okay, we need to apply the lever. Oh, the magazine thing, didn't we? Magazine catch. Magazine catch. Here we go. So we need to do this. Go and then 0. And then we need to just. I'm pretending I know how to blender, you know. needs to be kind of like that because of how magazines work. Kind of like that. I think that was about where it was, and now we just need to apply that to here. It needs to be centered around here, so I'm just going to say that. Then anything else needs to be applied to the grip module? I don't think so. For the hammer, I think it does. That kind of, I think. Does this stay in place? Oh, this is like a tiny button. Extractor spring guide. All right, so I'm just going to move these back. I'm going to do all this, and then I'm going to apply all of these to the frame. Because I think, okay, if I remember correctly, if I do the if I rotate this, oh shit, why is it rotated to the? But pretty much it I could not remember. Oh, it's because it's in global. 1 minute default local. No. Gimbal? No. Normal? No. View. No, I feel like it would be cursor. I do not know. Because it's currently not applied. The frame it's not applied to anything, so it should move like, you know, local to. I'm actually trying to figure out what the fuck it is. Gimbal? No. Global? No. Local? No. I do not know. I want it to, like, when you click on it, it should just, like, you know? Is it because it's applied? No, it's not. It's not parented to anything. Oh wait, that means when I move the trigger... Oh, the trigger does move separately from itself. Same with all of this, I'm pretty sure, yeah. And then, oh, this moves like itself. Okay. Alright, so if we just apply this to the frame. And then... Frame. And then... Oh shit, didn't move on it. Yeah. We moved this to the frame though, so we need to do that, do this, this, and then G is moved for some reason. I fucking don't ask me why, because G is clearly W. It's the same in UE, in Unreal Engine, so that's why I'm getting confused. Like pretty much since my last dev, all I've been doing is animating, which is kind of boring. Like, I won't lie, as interesting as it looks, it is really fucking boring 90% of the time. So, and as I said, I do really like to avoid animating. I do like to avoid doing boring things on stream because they're boring. Right, frame. Like that, and then 0 degrees. And then kind of like this, we need to put this into here and put this up here, I think. Because if you think about it, this is where the slide's going to be. Oh, quick, actually, let me just use the slide as a reference. Nope, back. Just use the slide as just a straight up reference. Because all we've done is move it to the side, right? Yeah, there we go. So it should be like that. And then we can just kind of adjust everything from here. So, especially like sort of caps and springers and guides. Eventually this all should just fit together and it will look fine. Just right now it's because I'm an idiot. So that was about here. I am doing a lot of guesswork. It would be better to have like a model of the gun near me, but I'm a lazy git, so. And then we're going to apply this to the frame. The slide's going to be its own thing, so like I said, it's not too bad to move it around and play with it a bit. And then, oh, what the fuck? What is this parented to? This is parented to something, man. Because it's weird the way this thing moves. Because it just doesn't, you know, it doesn't. Especially since it's something that actually does need to rotate. I don't know why it rotates from here. what's it called? It's called frame cap. Why is it? Maybe it is just like doesn't move. I think slide cap. I need to think about how a gun works, because it can, like the slide cannot really just be like bang and go back, because it kind of snaps there. The extractor spring comes with, and so does the, well, if you look at the actual internals of the gun, oh wait, 1 minute. The gun, if we look at the internals of the slide, what's supposed to slide back and what's not. So this comes with it, and I'm guessing this kind of moves down, or this doesn't move. This doesn't move at all. Okay, so that's good. That's good. We're just gonna move all this back. There you go. So we're pretty much recreating the gun just like a few millimeters away, so it's not too big of an issue. I think that's everything to do with the frame. So now we need to align everything with the slide. So if I just... No. What I need to do is move this back to like a natural point. Where was it? About here? Out there, I think, maybe. Or does it need to be like more back? I do not know. So definitely not like that. And then aligned kind of like this. Okay, about like that. I think like that. That's probably where it was. Because you can check from using like, you know, the way the magazine works. Because you've got the slide mechanic here. When it slides back, pushes around forward. So stuff like that. And then what we need to do is get the frame and apply the frame to the grip module. Grip module. There we go. And then what we need to do is do all this again. 0 degrees. And then we need to apply this within the frame. So if I use, what should I use as reference? There's a lot of things I have to use as reference. I'm guessing there's a lot of things I also haven't put in place correctly, just because I'm stupid. So it's kind of like that, kind of like that. And we need to like readjust all this shit. There we go, like kind of like that. I think that's kind of the best way to do it. And then just realign this. This. There we go. It's also too far on one side, so we need to adjust it like that. It's a button, so you just push it in like that. Then we need to readjust the trigger to like this, I think, because it needs to have quite a bit of leeway, like that. There you go. We need to readjust this. Like I said, I did do a lot of guesswork, but like I said, it does align itself back up, you know, naturally. Metal plate, that just belongs in here. I do not know why this added it, but it's here, I guess. Yeah, so I'm having fun. We're having a good time, aren't we? I'm considering getting a reference up. But I think I've done this quite well. I think I've aligned this pretty well when it comes to, you know, I think it is quite well aligned. I don't think, what I can do is check, put the slide into check. And then, should I just move the slide down? I think I should just move the slide down. Like I said, if you think about how the gun works, you do not actually see really the front of the gun in game. So it really is not an issue if, for example, you look at the gun and it's not perfect. Like, it just needs to look good enough. Kind of like here, this is a good point. So anything not aligned like that needs to be done properly. Just looking, just making sure everything's kind of aligned properly. This. 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 Bam. Let's go. Anything else? I feel like there's something in here that's missing. The fuck is this? Extractor. Oh, this goes in here. Okay, let me just chuck this back in. Oh no, I chucked that in the slide. Because actually, remember, check the slide's internals. Yeah, that's attached to the slide. Everything here is pretty much attached to the slide, except the magazine. The magazine is within itself a separate entity, although it should be attached to the grip module. But it also it shouldn't be parented the grip module. I don't know, because if you move it, so pretty much what I'm doing right now is I'm parenting, which if you're a nerd like me, and you know like 3D modeling, you'll know what parenting means. But pretty much it allows me to move all of this, and the gun move with it. So everything should be attached to the grip module, but certain things should be attached to itself. For example, if I move the slide, the magazine and stuff, so everything should be attached to the grip module. What we're going to do is we're going to get the slide. We're going to just quickly, everything here gets attached to the magazine foreplate, because I'm a lazy git. So we're going to get that, spring, the magazine here. Magazine insert, yep. Magazine foreplate, magazine coil, magazine tube. Anything else? Magazine base, I don't think so. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to all of this magazine tube. Magazine tube. Oh shit. Magazine tube. And magazine tube. So if we move the magazine tube, the whole magazine moves with it. Oh, I didn't change all the values. Okay, so we're gonna bam 1 0. I like that. And then I think that's kind of good enough. I can't really bother to change that. It does not matter really. You don't see the internals of the magazine work. 0 degrees. And then it kind of just dips down here. Here. If this looks ass, you know, I'll probably go after the stream. I'll probably just fix it myself. So there's a lot of things that's probably going to need fixing that I'm not going to realize for quite a while. Magazine insert, 0 degrees, bam. That goes here. Yep. Nope, that just goes up. Like that. You go up. Cartridge lift. Oh yeah, I need to apply this to the magazine tube as well. And then bam, 1, 0 degrees. And then we move that up to where it was. We have, I think, like that's kind of like it, I guess. I really, like I said, there's a lot of guesswork. I could be completely off, and I might just end up finding a better way to do it after stream. I do not know. Now what we need to do is magazine tube. We need to apply that to the grip module. Magazine tube. I think that's everything. Yeah, there we go. So everything moves with the magazine, which is quite important. I'm gonna have to do a bit of bullet work actually, because I've just remembered this. What's this? Firing pin. Is that part of the bullet? I think that's to do with the what's going to happen there is I'm going to click delete and we're going to forget that exists. That thing never existed, didn't happen, lying, was it deceit, wasn't real. and we completely forgot that it existed. So you guys, it was an SCP. It was an anomalous object that had to be deleted from the scene. I've also found where the firing pin goes. I just can't be asked to put it there. Because again, it doesn't really matter. A lot of the things in this gun are kind of irrelevant game design, but the gun looked cool on Sketchfab, and I was like, I want that in my game. So that's what went in my game. Now we need to do the magazine. So I'm guessing this is the sight body. We need to apply everything to the sight body. Everything magazine-wise. So we're going to apply you sight body. Bam. Then we're going to do this. Bam. 0 degrees. I'm going to put you back. Although I'm kind of annoyed that both of you are rotated. No, you're not. That's just the camera looking ass. Like that? Is that good enough? I think that's good enough. Screws. Again, side body. This is a lot of boring work. Yep, 1, 0 degrees. And we put you back in place. So it's a lot of work. Game dev, you know. But it's enjoyable, you know. It's not like I do this and, you know, I hate my life. I do this because it's fun and the end result's actually interesting 90% of the time. Oh, that's annoying. Why are these popping out and those aren't? I think that's fine. This is the lens cap. So we're going to apply you to sight body. Then we're going to do this, 0, 1, 0 degrees, and then we're going to put you back in place. There we go. I think that's about the bottom place. I think so. About. Yeah. Yeah, we need a lot more work to do. Adjustable mount cover. That's going to apply to this. That's going to be applied to the slide. So I'll just apply the sight body to that in a minute. You are the battery cap. You're going to get applied to sight body. And you're going to do this. You're going to do that, and then we're going to do that. And then you're going to be applied here. There you go. What else? What are you? Base attachments. Yeah, you're fine. You can get applied to sight body. And then we just apply you back in place. Base attachment parts. Yep. You're going to be attached to sight body. This is really fun, guys. Bam, 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 0 degrees. And we're going to do this. We're missing the this thing. This is the overall lens diameter low. Sight body. Then we're going to apply you to here. You're going to apply that to that. We're going to apply that to that. Then we're going to put you back in its place. It's about back in place, I think. I think we can go into shading and see if... Is the texture already applied? No, it's not. Crap. I was going to see if the texture was already applied, so then I can check if the red dots are aligned correctly. Again, most likely what's going to happen is... Why are we in edit mode? Object mode. Again, most likely what's going to happen is I'm going to check in game, realize it sucks ass, and we'll have to do this again, which I'll just do off stream. But you know, it's the stream etiquette. What are we missing? U side switch, side body. Bam 1, 0 degrees. Here, here, here. Bam, there you go. Is that about part? Yeah. So it's like body, G. What the fuck are you? You are the laser. Oh, you're the thing that. Okay, there we go. Again, not really important, but I'll add it to the side body anyway. I do like to be quite, you know, when it comes to making games, I do like to be quite accurate. I say accurate, not really. But I do like to make things realistic, you know, especially with the mechanics I have for my game. Press G. I think that's everything. Yep. So then what we're going to do is we're going to get the base adjustable mount cover. We're going to apply that to the slide. Then that's going to be just like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to apply this to the slide by doing this. There we go. And then we're going to do side body. We're going to apply U to the adjustable mount cover. Do this. 0 degrees. And then we're going to put you up like this. Like that. I think that's about right. Then here and these guys. So we can get the dots. We're going to apply that to the rear sight. And then we're going to do this. 1, 0 degrees. And then we're going to apply U to the slide. Then you're going to be 1, 0 degrees. Then we're going to apply U to the slide, and you're going to be applied to the front sight. There we go, and then we're going to apply U here. I think in my game, the front sight's disabled because of how you look down the red dot, but you know, it's not exactly I think just for this, you know, stream, we'll probably keep it in. It's not, like I said, oh shit, I've accidentally done that. What we need to do is apply the slide first. Slide. And then, there we go, like that. 0 degrees. Up, bam, bam. And we just apply U like we'd apply anything else. Like that. I think that's about centered. I really do not mind if it's not. You're applied to the slide as well. Go. What have we got? Let's just figure this shit out. Yeah, so this is the extractor. This is what causes the bullet to fly out. I do know that. Because if you don't have this, the bullet will sometimes fly out improperly or get jammed, and that's not very good. So it's just this little notch here that allows the bullet to be exiting much easier. Again, this is probably extremely unaligned. But, you know, we're here to have fun. We're here to have fun, aren't we? I feel like that should go all the way to the back. I really don't know. Actually, wait. Import FBX. And then we can find this out by doing 20, because I have a full version. Which is a exact replica. So we can see where everything is. So we can see that I've kind of done this correctly. 1 minute. I'm actually going to move this over here. And it's applied kind of in the same area that the actual gun's applied. So I'm pretty sure this is about... I haven't moved... I think if I... There we go. So what we can do is now we can move things and make it better. That's supposed to... Oh, there we go. Here we are. There we are. So now it's applied more perfectly. I'm actually surprised at how accurate I've got this. This is really, really... I'm actually kind of shocked. This isn't at top though. And then... Oh, because all of this is applied to the same thing. Slide. There's less of a gap. Like that. That's about a good enough gap, isn't it? There we go. How have I got this so well done? Honestly, it's a fucking miracle. Now, because of how, if I just quickly press G, look at the internals, I need to remember this shouldn't be applied to the frame, this should be applied to the slide. Just like this. There we go. Fuck. That's about accurate. Then we've got this, which you can see should be attached to the frame. Then we've got these shits, which is fine. Actually, I've just realized. If I move the this gun up, just had this sudden realization that this isn't in the right spot. It should be about the center hole. Just like that. There we go. This should be out more. This should pretty much be flat, this section. And this should be so well aligned you can't even see the line between them. Jeez, okay, that's going to be a bit of aligning. Yeah, it's fine. I can't be asked. It's really not like super important. This needs to be moved forward though. This needs to be like this. Yeah, that's about right. See, chat, we've learned a very valuable lesson. Use references. Here and here, barrels look about right to me. Finally, we need the magazine tube. Quite easy, we can just apply that to the grip module. And then what we do is we move this 0 degrees, and then we move this into place. It's about in place, I think. This one's a bit lower. Yeah, that's just about fine. The bullet encasing, I'm going to apply this to the grip module because it's its own thing. They got grip module. Oh wait, no. Okay, bullet needs to be applied to the casing. And then 0 degrees. And then case needs to be applied to the grip module. And then the slide needs to be applied to the grip module. The slide is. Wait, no, it's not. And then 0 degrees. And then we apply it properly. We just align it up. Like this, like that. Just apply it like this. There we go. I think we are boned up. We are boned, boys. We are boned. And then what I'm going to do is just apply all of this to 0, 0, 0. And then apply this to 0, 0, 0. This is very slightly in front, so just make sure it applies pretty much perfectly, and then move it to the side. Just make sure it is aligned from the side. Honestly, not bad. Not bad at all. There's a few things I can do better. I think I can just improve the height of these sights. Make it more oh shit, wait. Like that. Like this. Oh shit, wait. Oh, because that's not aligned with the height of the thing. And then this needs to be better aligned like this. Like that. And then this needs to be aligned a bit like this. Here we go. Anything else needs to be aligned properly. That's about, yeah, that's about fine. I think, honestly, if we just get rid of this gun. Oh, why the fuck won't you delete? We're good. We are balling. So, time to bone. What we do is right. Is it right? Oh fuck! It's Control A. No, Shift A. Armature. Single bone. That is a huge fucking bone. We're going to G. S. Let's get it now. Bam. Bam. Then we're going to apply him. And then we're going to apply him to the armature. Wait, it should just be called bone. Bone. I'm going to apply him to the bone. Can we not add him to bone? We can't. Armature? No. And then Control P. Set parent object. And then if we move the armature? No. Grab the object, grab the bone, drop P, with automatic weights. We have boned. We have. I'm gonna open up a can of juice as celebration. We have boned. The stream is complete. Boning has been done. Alright, time to do the rest of the stream. Alright. Okay, Shift A. Can we just add a new bone? How the fuck do we add a new bone? Shift A. Shift A. Bone. And then S. G. R. And then we should be boning. We should be boning. And then apply this to the slide. And then we get the slide. And then we apply the slide to the bone. Control P. With automatic weights. The fuck happened? Control Z. That's not good. Oh wait, 1 minute. It's because if we delete this armature, bone. Can we add a new bone to the edit mode of the bone? And then new bone. Shift A. Add bone. There we go. And then grab bone. And then S. We make small bone. This is a fucking relaxing stream. Holy shit. And then we add bone to thingy. SY. Like this. It's a pretty big bone. We get the, and then we get the, and then like that. And then we get to pose mode. No. Object mode. This. Control P. Oh, that waves. Fuck. That's not. Why the fuck are you not boning? Please bone. That's not good. Nope, that is not good. That is not good at all. I've accidentally hide control hide. Okay, Control Z. There you go. Delete. Bone. We are going to watch a YouTube tutorial. I've been watching my own stream this whole fucking time. 1 viewer. True though. We're gonna look up UE5 how to rig gun, and there's a tutorial I watched. This guy. Subscribe to. He has like significantly more subscribers, but subscribe to him. He fucking clutching up here. So he modeled his own gun. I'm a lazy bastard. I didn't do that.
Alright, cool. Let's rig this thing. To start, let's Shift A to add an armature. We'll add a single bone. We'll position it at somewhere in the handle of the gun. We can then tab into edit mode and Shift D to duplicate it. And we'll position this bone roughly in the center of the slider. We can Shift D to duplicate again, and then we'll place this bone around the center of the trigger. We'll Shift D again to duplicate, and we'll place this bone in the middle of the hammer. Finally, we'll Shift D to duplicate a bone and put it in the middle of the barrel. With the armature selected, we'll head into...
Alright. We're gonna bone him. Wait, no, fuck. We bone in. We're gonna unparent. And then we're gonna delete this armature. Then we're gonna go into wireframe because I'm scared of shit. And holy shit, that's a lot of fucking polygons. Then we're gonna go Shift A, single bone, G. We're gonna S this shit down. We're gonna bone him up there. I'm also gonna undo a bunch of the shit because I've just realized. Fuck. Like that. Oh shit, where the fuck are you? Still, fuck. Why is it like that? Have we unboned? Alright, the bone's there. What I'm gonna do actually, bones, and then it should be in viewport display in front. There you go. So we bone in. Then we're gonna do Shift D to do one for the slide. Shift D for the trigger. Remember, we're copying this guy's YouTube tutorial. And then I'm gonna need another bone. Do I need another bone for the magazine? Yes. We need another bone for the magazine. Shift A. Actually, we're gonna just Shift D this one. And then keep them in about the same spot, or in where the magazine well is. Then
pose mode. And then how I like to do this is to select the object from the view layer and then select the bone, then Control P to parent to the bone.
Alright. We can turn on the lo-fi beats again. And we can figure this shit out. Let's go. We stream. This is the one. There's so many fucking armatures. Why did he only have one armature? How the fuck did he do that? He is a mastermind. I'm going to delete all these armatures. And then I think what we need to do is select the bone, not the armature. There we go. Select the bone, Shift D the bone. No, that doesn't, no. Edit mode. Shift A. Okay, we figured out how to do a second bone. Alright, let's go. Then we bone him up to the slide. Shift A. There we go. We're figuring this out. S. We bone him up to the trigger. And we Shift D this guy. Nope, that's Shift S. No. Oh, shit. Shift A. We bone him up to the trigger. Not trigger, fucking magazine. Then we're done. Then we go to pose mode, like he did. We grab the bone. And we grab the grip module. No, sorry. This. Control P. Bone. Then we get the frame, the magazine, and the slide. So we bone the slide. So we grab bone 2, or yep, slide, Shift P, Control P, bone. Fuck. I think I know why. So I've accidentally fucking. Oh, I've done it silly. Okay, so we're just gonna have to fuck the armature for the minute. We're gonna get the frame. No. So we need the trigger to be a separate thing. Okay. Do that. Then you should be large, yep. Then, what's the size of this? Control C. And then we're going to do this. Okay, let's bring back in that, okay, we're gonna have to, okay. Import FBX, this guy, again, we're importing him. And then we're gonna move him down to like here. And then, wait, actually, nope, that's the wrong, oh, wait, what? Fuck? Is that him? Zero, zero. That's about the same spot. So what we need to do is get the trigger. We need to put you back in place. Like that. And then he's about trigger. Like that. There, we have solved the problem. Okay, now what we need to do is readjust the slide. Slide, and then we copy it, and then that slide needs to be slightly forward. I don't really care. That's fine. This gun is not functional, not supposed to be a real gun, so I'm not too fussed. I'm not too fussed. We streaming. Okay, so that's the slide and trigger done. Now we just need to do one for the magazine, because the frame's supposed to be a thing. The case is going to be a bone itself. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the tube, the magazine, because the magazine, if you think about it, like how bones work, how you bone, you kind of bone in the sense of when you fire the gun, the slide comes back, the case comes out, and you pull down the trigger, and then you do buttons and shit, you know? I have just realized how many more shits I'm going to have to move. If you think about reloads and... Because if you think about reloads, you need to do the magazine slide catch. Because you just flip down the slide to reload. So we need to do one for the slide as well. And I think the takedown lever isn't not that important. Because, you know, it's not too realistic of a game. It doesn't matter. Same as like all the side buttons. We're not going to mess around with those. So... We ball in. What we're going to do is we're going to go down and find the magazine tube. And we're going to do this. We're going to do this. do this, we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna do this, we're gonna do this, and it's going to work wonderfully. Oh shit, if I move the gun by accident, I have... That's about the same. So there you go, got magazine done, and then the frame, what we need to do is find the magazine catch. That's not the magazine catch. We need to do... Oh, that also needs to be... Oh, fuck. Okay. So we need to do this one. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam, bam. 90 degrees. And we need to move you back into place. Yeah, it's kind of fine. Doesn't really matter. It's not too big of a fuss. Then we need this one, which is the slide catch lever. And then we need this. Bam. 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 90. Bam. Bam. Alright, we slide in. Needs to come out more. That. Bam. That's fine. That's fine. Triggers done. So we've got trigger, slide catch, slide, magazine, magazine catch, grip module, slide catch, rather. Okay, there we go. So what else moves in the gun? The casing. Case. That needs to be a thing. What we need to do is duplicate this, because if you think about when firing, the casing flies out, and a new bullet goes in. So what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this. So Shift D. Why didn't it duplicate both? Shift D. Then we need one without the bullet. So fucking okay, one without the bullet. So Shift D. And then what we need to do is both of these need to be separate from the gun, which I think they both are. We're going to call this one the bullet. Bowl. Yep. I'm going to call this one case or casing, because if you think about when firing, we need to load it in. So we're going to do this. And we're also going to need one without bullet, which is quite easy to do, I think, in Blender. Well, no, not in Blender. Because when you reload the oh, well, no, if I model a separate, like a magazine, if I just get the magazine model and do a magazine model without I'm thinking a minute because I'm thinking about I'm thinking about reloading, and the problem is like, so when firing, you know, the slide comes back and the casing comes out and then the bullet goes in, right? The bullet goes back in here. My only gripe is when you reload and you take the magazine out, you're going to have one magazine with bullets in and one without bullets in. So if we have just, okay, so let's put the bullet in the magazine, right? In the mag. And then put the magazine back. Put that in here. And we just need to realign that real quick. Yeah, that's fine, not too bothered. And then we need to have a casing in here. Let me just quickly do this. Oh, wait. How the fuck does the slide come out? Oh, there's no breach. Like, the breach is here. There's no way the slide goes that far. No, it doesn't. It shouldn't. It goes back as far as the firing pin goes, so... like here. But this is freaking out, so we're going to drop you down. And then the casing stays in place. That flies out. And then this comes up. And then slide comes forward and blah blah blah. So it goes bow 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 bow. We'll do, oh wait, bam. Slide, you're going to move down very slightly. There we go. Still when the slide comes back. You can go down, go back without any consequences. Because that hits the notch there, so it doesn't go back any further. I just want to make sure, yeah. Yeah. So what I'm going to do for the reload animation is make the bullets, because you're going to take that magazine out, put a new one in, and then it's going to be all fine. I think. I am praying. I am praying and crying and hoping. So we need a lot of bones for a lot of different things. Sick. So, Shift A, armature, bone, edit mode, bone, S, bam, bone here, S, bam, 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 bone. We have bone. So, get a bone, and then we Shift D. Oh shit. Oh, it's in post mode. Why the fuck is it in post mode? Okay. Oh wait, 1 minute. I'm gonna have to do this. Edit mode. Bam, bam, bam. Bone. Like that. Oh shit. bone. That's a, oh shit, wait, we need to, oh. Real quick, I'm just gonna do amateur in front, we are. So we need to GX. That should be bone. We have boned up, boys. So we shifty. R, do that for that one. Shifty. Bam. S. That's for the trigger. Shifty. We need this one. R. Yeah, that over here. That's for the magazine catch. Then we need shifty. Like that. That's for that one. Then we need. So we've got one for the grip. We've got one for the magazine catch. We don't have one for the tube. We want the slide. Ever. Yep. So we need one for the magazine tube. Shifty. That's just gonna go like here, I think. Or what I can do is I can just do this. There we go. All right, now we need to do one for the bullet. So we just dename the slide. Then what we need to do is get the one for the slide, Shift D, S, like, you know, on its slide. Oh, that's a lot of fucking. Oh, man. Yeah, it's fine. Slide. Now we need one for the casing, so Shift D. Slide goes away again. I find casing somewhere. I think it's inside the fucking barrel, which is really fucking annoying. What I can do is I can open up the grip module, frame, barrel, disable, there we go. It's fine to be my thing a lot easier. Disable in front. Just like this, and then just like that. Just like this. And then just like that. There you go. I think that's good enough. So if we turn back on in front, turn back on the barrel, turn back on the slide, and frame, we have boned up all the bones. So if we then go to pose mode, get the big bone, so bone 1, control, then we get the grip module. Let's control P, bone. So that should, yep. Then we get this bone here. Control slide. Control P. Bone. There we go. So that should be. There we go. Then we go in 2, 3, which is the magazine slide. So we. Bone. Control P. Bone. Yep. Then we get bone 4. Then we get the slide catch lever. Control P. Bone. Yep. We get bone 5. Okay, this is the magazine tube. Control P. Bone. G. Yep. Then we get bone 6. Which, and we change the budget casing. Nope. Bone 6. Bam. Oh, wait, no, fuck. Bone 6. Bam. Control P. Bone. Bone 7. And then we do casing. Control P. Bone. Bam. Oh, and we forgot the trigger. And then we do bone 2, trigger, control P, bone. There we go. Everything's in the armature. Sick. We rename the bones because I want to rename the bones. And we just call this grip module. Then we call this slide. We call this trigger. Name 3 things that rhyme with trigger. No, I'm kidding. I am. Jesus Christ. No. Magazine. Catch. I forgot what the. Okay. Slide release. Slide release. I'm gonna call it that. Bone 5 is magazine. Bone 6 is bullet. Nope, that's bullet T, not bullet. Bone 7 is going to be casing. Bam! Just casing. No, we want casing. There you go. So we boned them all up. Now we just need to bone them together. You know what I mean. So we parent these bones. So we parent bones to other bones. Swoops. Bam. Copy. Bone. Nope. Wait 1 minute. No. Control P. Bone. This is that. Nope. 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 I'm so confused. YouTube tutorial.
If we rotate our bone, we will see our trigger move as well. We'll repeat this process for all the other objects. Once we're happy with parenting our objects to our bones, we'll need to parent the bones to each other in sensible ways, so that if we rotate the handle, for example, the rest of the gun moves with it as if they're joined. In edit mode, we'll select the child bone, then the parent bone, hit Control P, and say keep offset. Now,
Boom. We're not in pose mode, we're in edit mode. Then we hit the child bone, then the parent bone, then we hit Control P, Control P, keep offset. There we go. Do this, Control P, keep offset. We do this, Control P, keep offset. We do this, Control P, keep offset. Then we do this, then we do this, and we do Control P, keep offset. We do this, then we do this, we do P, keep offset. Then we do this, and then we do this, and then we do Control P, keep offset. Oh, Control P, keep offset. So then, pose mode. Bam. 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 Gun. Holy shit, gamers. We have gotten gun. Time to have another celebratory sip of juice. So happy. So happy. Back to lo-fi beats. We do animation, and then we're done for the night. I can go the fuck to bed. Now, you tutorial. How the fuck do I animate?
in pose mode, if we rotate the parent bone, the
Yappy yappy yap. All he's doing is yapping.
Name all your bones.
This is how AI optimizes my schedule. So I have a project.
Shut
coming
the
up, so I
fuck
have
up!
a project and then setting a deadline.
Bones, so that when you import it into Unity, we'll create a new action and we'll call it shoot. To start, we'll select all our bones by pressing A. Then we'll press I to insert the location and rotation.
Now all I hear is nerd shit. We're gonna go and we're gonna just randomly do it and see if it works. And then... So... The fuck, he went to dope sheet? Something. Can I just do like new action? How the fuck did he do new action? Figuring this out. I'm figuring this out. One minute. Back to YouTube. Back to YouTube tutorial.
And we'll open up the action editor.
Fuck! I opened up dope sheet, not the action editor. Action editor. New action, and we call it shoot. And then we do this. Oh no, we do. What do you do?
We'll create a new action and we'll call it shoot. To start, we'll select all our bones by pressing A. Then we'll press I to insert.
Then we select all our bones. We press I.
The location and rotation of each of the bones.
So A, location and rotation. We have frame one, boys. We have frame one. Alright, sit game. Alright. Then what did you do?
With our trigger selected, we'll move to around keyframe 4 and we'll...
Oh yeah, we're gonna move to keyframe. I'm not copying it directly, but there's like, because my gun works a bit differently than his, because his is a Glock, mine is a 6 Sauer P320 compact, and I've got a lot more bones than he does, and I've got a lot more shit to do. But to be fair, it's about the same with him, because all I have extra is the casing. So what we need to do is get the trigger. We're gonna do R, like that. Wait, like that. I think like that, and then we're gonna do I. Location and rotation. Holy shit! Let's go! I'm actually so excited. I've never animated in Blender. I might have to move to Blender permanently. This is actually sick. 1 minute. So, and then we went.
Rotate it downward as if it's being squeezed. Then we'll hit I and insert the rotation. I hit location and rotation, but you can just do the rotation. Then with the
Oh, I don't have to do hammer because I don't have a hammer. So
Hammer selected will duplicate its original position to keyframe 4, and once the trigger reaches the end of its squeeze animation, we want the hammer to flick forward. And I've noticed I've made a grave mistake. The rotation point of...
okay, all I'm hearing is bitching and yapping. We're gonna figure it out ourselves. So currently, if I click play, I don't think I can click play, but if we do this, then on frame 4 we get the slide and we do I, and then location rotation. And then from frame 5 to 10, we're going to do G, Y. 1 minute, G, Y. We need it to be about to the point where the jammer stops the gun. Because there is a point where the jammer stops the gun, like here. I don't think it's here. I feel like that's way too far. Yeah, that looks way too far. If I look within the magazine well, there's actually it's a good point of measure. There we go, yeah. I need the bones to like disappear the fuck. I need these bones to fuck off though. Okay, yeah, I can actually get the bones to fuck off. Oh fuck, I need the bones to see though. Fuck. GY. About that. Does that look about realistic? I think that looks about realistic. The problem is obviously the sight comes with it, which is, yeah, not big of an issue, but oh no, because the bullet, oh, the bullet comes up as well though, so you gotta worry about that. Okay, so we're gonna click I, location and rotation. We're gonna grab the casing bullet. We're going to do this, GI, like this, wait, no, GY, and then we're going to do R, GX, like that. Then we're gonna do, oh shit, wait. We need to go to frame 5, frame 4. Then we need to get the casing. Then we need to do I, location and rotation. Then we're gonna go to the slide. We're gonna do casing. Then we're going to do GY, move that back, R, move that back, GX, and then GY. Because remember, it extracts through, okay, if I move the bone, it extracts through here, so it needs to be kind of like extracting the casing. So if we do GR, like this, no, GX, no, not G, sorry, RX, nope. RY, nope, RZ, okay, just give that a look, there we go, then GY to move forward, okay, that's good, I'd say it's good, but no, because it needs to come back like way, all the way to the extraction, GX, GY, no, sorry, GY, GY. I know I'm like telling you my keys, like this is definitely a blended tutorial. I know what the fuck I'm doing, don't worry about it. Wait, Control Z. G. kind of like that, yeah. And then just more up. Because it should be like going up. There we go. So then as the slide comes forward, it pushes it out. Which it pushes it out. So let me just do RZ. GX. Go. I think that's good enough. Because it's supposed to come out like that. So then if we do I. Location and rotation. Bam. Holy shit, holy shit. There you go. Move this to like frame A actually. Oh, I need to unhide the slide. Fuck. Slide. Control H. Oh no, Control Alt H. Control Shift Alt H. Shift H. Nope, but Control Z. Control H. Nope, but Control Z. Control Z. But how do I unhide the fucking slide? Alt H. There we go. Ah, boom. Sick. Alright, so and then the slide comes in the casing. We're going to go to frame 12. And then we're going to kind of move this out. It's going to be really fast, so the movement's going to be really fast on it. So I, location and rotation. Put it even further away. We're going to move this down to frame like that. This is probably going to look so ass. I know that's like a really far jump, but we're going to see how it looks. That's like a 1 frame movement. I'd rather that be like 20 frames. Location rotation. There we go. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the slide. Bam, 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 bam. 12, and then we're going to... How long did it take? Wait. So between 4... 1, 2, 3 frames to pull fully back. 1, 2, 3 frames. 1, 2, 3 frames to pull fully forward. Control C, Control V. I did not pull all of them. Wait. Control C, Control V. Oh shit, that's not good. I think that's fine. Huh, fair enough. Alright, now we just grab the trigger. And then point, location, rotation, and then back to 13 frames. We need to return back to these frames. This is actually really fucking relaxing, honestly, bro. So it takes 3 frames. 1. Oh shit, wait. Bam. 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 Alright, 1, 2, 3 frames to max out. Then what we need to do is you hide, you not really important right now. You're not important. You're not important. Yeah, you're fine. Alright. What we need to do is load the magazine up. So GZ. Alright. I is rotate. It's fine if it clips. It really is not important. What I'm going to do is hide the slide for the minute, so I can put this back in GY. And then that's I location rotation. And then see how this looks. I can fucking animate. That actually does not look that bad. That does not look that bad. What the? Nah, there's no way this actually looks that good. I'm actually kind of mad. Like, what the fuck? How does this look? Let me put the animation. Where the fuck's the play button? Do I have to press space? I feel like it's just, oh, that looks fucking pissed. Can I, like, 1 minute. How do I stop the last keyframe? The way it just flies off. Honestly, I'm not mad. I'm not mad. That looks actually kind of sick. I can speed up and slow it down if it doesn't look good enough in game, if it's like too slow. But if you think about it, it's like bam, bang, bang, bang. Like, if I speed it up real quick, actually, I can speed it up in fucking Unreal. It does not matter, but I think it is just a speed issue. I think the actual frames itself. Like, it loads new frames, and it's sick. I'm very impressed with this. I could take this and say this is a good day's work. This is an honest man's work. Like, what the fuck? That actually looks... I'm not mad. That looks alright. I know there's probably, like, about 1,000 comments right now going, it sucks! It's so... No. The top chat has been fucking dead this stream. No one's watched it. I've been talking for, like, hours with no reason at all. Again, I'm not mad. I know no one's gonna watch this except me, like, 5 years down the line. And I just want the future me to know, I'm happy with this. You might not be. You might end up, like, replacing this in, like, 2 minutes. But I am genuinely really happy with how the stream come out. This game is insane. I'm so happy. What the fuck? Obviously as well, I got to worry about the back, like the recoil. The recoil is going to be to the hands because the gun's binded to the hands. So what the gun moves where the hands move, which is, you know, not bad. That's stream over. I said I'd do a shoot animation today. I did a shoot animation. I'm quite happy with that. Let's save it. Let's save because I'm gonna do a bunch more animations. I'm gonna probably add this to the game tomorrow. So save the current file. We're gonna call it. It's gonna be saved in the Blenders file, and it's gonna be called p320.blend. Save as. We've done it, Scream. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I know none of you watched, but it's fine. It's fine.